Welcome. This is Lightning Talk number 5. This is John Zhu from CyVerse, and he's going to talk about Ansible modules for iRODS using the python-irods client. Go for it.
Hi everyone. So I'm John Xu from CyVerse. I'm currently a student software developer at the Galactic service team. So I've been, first of all, this GitHub repo is the Ansible playbooks for the data store, which we used for like deploying and configuring data CyVerse data store, which is a storage service, which I presume you guys have heard already. So kind of, we also have a bunch of Ansible modules, which initially they are written in Bash for, therefore like basic configuring iRODS. And well, Bash isn't really friendly and maintainable, so I have been porting some of them to Python, which is basically a preferred language for writing Ansible modules. And how to get rid of this bar? Sorry. I guess sort of from the other side. So just kind of show you a couple. This is still like work in progress, and some of the web docs I generated like today from the module I currently working on, like iRODS group for basically creating and removing iRODS group, group member for adding user to groups, and user for create, remove, and also update, and also the collection which is used for create and remove iRODS collection. So to kind of give a short demo of things, first of all, I have cloned the repo, and what I'm gonna use for demo is our kind of test container environment, which kind of have a container emulating different servers. Let's see. What it does is basically like a Docker compose up and spawn up all the containers, and the -i just have a shell session at the end. And this playbook is just empty. That's probably the easiest way to do this. So, and also, yeah, it should be up any moment. Usually it's faster. I'm not sure why. Yeah, anyway, just confirm. So just kind of check everything's okay. So here's credential and iOS, yes. And to do item LU to list of the users, and show another playbooks. Let's see. So this is basically a very simple playbook that just use the iRODS user module to kind of create a user called test user 1 with the type of the RODS user and empty password. So if we run that, okay. Oops, different one. Yes, and you can see a change first, and also do a LU to confirm there's a new user being created, and to return it's change yes and no exception, so basically. Okay. I guess there's one more playbook I want to show, which I think I still have time. This one, instead of connecting to the kind of Docker container environment, this one will connect to prod, and this playbooks use the iRODS collection module, which basically, since state is present, obviously it's creating a new collection. So yes, yeah, I have the credential in a YAML file, which I encrypted so that I don't accidentally print it on the screen. And now if we go back to the browser, go to so this is the user connecting us. Yes, now you have a new collection being created. So I guess that's it for my demo. And so in the process of porting this and also writing Ansible in general, so just one last second, like I want to make a call out for, it will be really useful to have some kind of a set of community created or maintain Ansible module for iRODS. And yes, that's it for my talk, and I will be stop sharing.
Very good. Thank you.